Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click here in this page. As you see in this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Then we can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. If you will find here updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.